Introduction. Welcome to our deep dive into the Starch Solution by Dr. John McDougall, a revolutionary approach to nutrition that emphasizes the power of starches in our diets. This method is not just about losing weight, it's about transforming your health through the foods you eat. Dr. McDougall advocates for a plant-based diet rich in whole, unprocessed starches like potatoes, rice, and corn, which serve as the foundation for optimal health. The significance of the starch solution lies in its ability to provide essential nutrients while promoting weight loss and preventing chronic diseases. By focusing on starches, you can enjoy satisfying meals that keep you full and energized without the need for calorie counting or restrictive eating. In this video, we'll explore how incorporating starch into your daily meals can lead to a healthier lifestyle. We'll discuss the science behind why starches are not the enemy, but rather a vital dietary staple that can enhance your well-being. So, if you're curious about how a plant-based diet can change your life, stick around. You'll discover practical tips and delicious recipes that make it easy to embrace the starch solution and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, happier you. Understanding the starch solution. At the heart of the starch solution is the belief that starch should be the primary source of calories in our diets. Starches, such as potatoes, rice, and legumes, are not only energy-dense, but also packed with essential nutrients. By prioritizing these foods, you can fuel your body effectively while enjoying a satisfying and fulfilling diet. One of the core principles of the starch solution is the emphasis on a whole food, plant-based diet. This means focusing on unprocessed foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Such a diet can lead to numerous health benefits, including weight loss, improved digestion, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, the starch solution encourages variety within a starch-centered diet. While starches are the foundation, incorporating a wide range of fruits, vegetables, and legumes adds essential nutrients and flavors to your meals. This diversity not only keeps your meals interesting, but also ensures you receive a broad spectrum of nutrients. By understanding these core principles, you can embrace a lifestyle that celebrates the power of starch while promoting overall health and well-being. Health benefits of starch. A starch-based diet offers a multitude of health benefits that can significantly enhance your overall well-being. One of the most notable advantages is its effectiveness in weight management. Starches are high in fiber, which promotes satiety and helps control hunger. When you fill your plate with wholesome starches like potatoes and whole grains, you're less likely to overeat, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Moreover, a diet rich in starch can play a crucial role in preventing chronic diseases. Research has shown that individuals who consume a higher proportion of whole food starches tend to have lower risks of conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The fiber and nutrients found in these foods help regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Numerous studies support the health benefits of starch. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who followed a high-starch, low-fat diet experienced significant improvements in cholesterol levels and weight loss. Another research highlighted in the Journal of Nutrition indicated that diets rich in whole grains and legumes were associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. These findings underscore the importance of incorporating starch into your daily meals for better health outcomes. Practical tips for implementing the starch solution. Incorporating the starch solution into your daily life can be both enjoyable and straightforward. One of the best ways to start is by trying easy recipes that highlight starch-rich ingredients. For example, You can whip up a comforting potato and vegetable stew, or prepare a hearty rice and bean bowl topped with fresh salsa. These meals are not only delicious, but also filling and nutritious. Meal planning is another essential strategy for successfully adopting the Starch Solution. By planning your meals for the week, you can ensure a variety of starches are included, such as quinoa, sweet potatoes, and whole grain pasta. This variety keeps your meals exciting and helps you meet your nutritional needs. Transitioning to a starch-based diet may come with challenges, but there are ways to overcome them. Start by gradually increasing your starch intake while reducing processed foods. This can help your body adjust without feeling deprived. Additionally, keep healthy snacks on hand, like air-popped popcorn or baked sweet potato fries, to curb cravings. Remember, it's all about balance and finding what works best for you. With these practical tips, you'll be well on your way to embracing the Starch Solution and enjoying its many benefits. Common misconceptions. When it comes to starch and carbohydrates, there are several misconceptions that can cloud our understanding of their role in a healthy diet. One key distinction to clarify is the difference between healthy starches and refined carbohydrates. Healthy starches, such as whole grains, legumes, and starchy vegetables, are packed with nutrients and fiber, which support overall health. In contrast, refined carbohydrates, like white bread and sugary snacks, lack these beneficial components and can lead to health issues when consumed in excess. Another common myth is that consuming starch leads to weight gain. In reality, starches can be a vital part of a weight management strategy. When eaten in their whole form, they provide satiety and essential nutrients without the empty calories found in processed foods. Studies have shown that individuals who consume a diet rich in whole food starches often maintain a healthy weight and experience better metabolic health. Lastly, many people fear that carbohydrates will spike their blood sugar levels. However, evidence suggests that whole food starches have a low glycemic index, meaning they release energy slowly and help stabilize blood sugar. By debunking these misconceptions, we can better appreciate the role of starch in a balanced diet and embrace its health benefits. Success stories. The Starch Solution has transformed the lives of many individuals, showcasing the profound impact of a starch-based diet on health and well-being. One inspiring story comes from Sarah, who struggled with her weight for years. After adopting the Starch Solution, she lost over 30 pounds and experienced a significant boost in her energy levels. Sarah shares, "I never thought I could enjoy food so much while losing weight. The meals are filling, and I feel healthier than ever." Another remarkable transformation is that of Mark, who was diagnosed with high cholesterol and prediabetes. By shifting to a diet rich in whole food starches, he not only reversed his prediabetes, but also lowered his cholesterol levels to a healthy range to waist. Mark states, "I feel like I've taken control of my health. The Starch Solution gave me the tools I needed to make lasting changes." These testimonials highlight the effectiveness of the Starch Solution and the personal transformations that can occur. As you listen to these stories, envision your own potential for success. Whether it's weight loss, improved energy, or better health markers, the journey is possible. With dedication and the right approach, you too can experience the life-changing benefits of embracing a starch-centered diet. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the transformative power of the Starch Solution, highlighting its numerous benefits for health and well-being. We discussed how prioritizing healthy starches can aid in weight management, provide essential nutrients, and help prevent chronic diseases. By embracing a whole food, plant-based diet centered around starches, you can enjoy satisfying meals while improving your overall health. We also addressed common misconceptions about starch and carbohydrates, clarifying the difference between healthy starches and refined carbs. Through inspiring success stories, we showcased real-life transformations that demonstrate the effectiveness of this approach. These stories serve as a reminder that positive change is possible for anyone willing to take the first step. Now, it's time for you to take action. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from the Starch Solution. Your support helps us spread the message of healthy living. Don't forget to explore our related content on the channel or visit our website for more resources, recipes, and tips to help you on your journey. Together, we can embrace the power of starch and create a healthier future for ourselves and our loved ones. Thank you for watching.